Hello everyone and welcome to All Reviews channel. If you are looking for an honest and well-detailed express ticket to success review, then this is the right channel for you. So if you haven't heard about this program before, you will be delighted to know that the Express Ticket to Success program is a unique one. I will be walking you all through a detailed information about this program, starting from what it is, customers' overall experiences, and all other basic facts you will be needing to get a complete knowledge before making a purchase. But before I get the review started, if you are done watching this video and you finally decide to buy and use the Express Ticket to Success program for your business, then I would strongly recommend you click on the first link in the description of this video you are watching right now in order to buy at an amazingly discounted price. Now let's get the review started by talking about what exactly the Express Ticket to Success program is and what exactly it does to your online business. What makes a good affiliate marketing training program? I'd say traffic. What kind of traffic methods it teaches and how deeply the training's involved in that area. Of course, there are other factors to consider when choosing a training course such as formats, comprehensiveness, price, refund policy, and all. I've seen hundreds of affiliate marketing courses over the years. Many of them offer a free, done-for-you website, and others come up with innovative tools or secret tips. But when it comes to how to drive traffic, they often simply recommend some reputable solo ad sellers and leave all the stressful parts up to you. Yet traffic is the single most important part. Now the question is, have you been there before? Then I think my Express Ticket to Success review can help you. If you're brand new to online marketing or you've been around for a while but the method you're working on doesn't seem to work, the least you can do right now is to watch the full video and decide whether this coaching program is for you or not. If you're looking to start earning decent affiliate commissions in a fairly short period but without spending money on traffic, it'll be worth it for you. What is Express Ticket to Success? Express Ticket to Success, ETTS, is an affiliate marketing coaching program that helps you make money by gaining the audience's trust in a short period without spending a dime on paid ads. It's a one full year of mentorship and coaching by Philip Johansson, a Danish multi-millionaire entrepreneur, and Dan Kahn, a young, college dropout, who is also a super affiliate. The method is about leveraging YouTube videos to sell affiliate products and build a list at the same time, i.e. not using paid traffic. Being transparent to your audience and become a trustworthy marketer. You don't need a list of thousands of leads but the quality of prospects that matters. The program's basic goal is not selling one product each time but repeatedly sell different items in higher values. Upon joining, you'll start learning the basics from the tutorials, while you can ask any questions to Philip, Dan, or the community members as frequently as you wish. They'll make sure you're making decent revenues, so you're not working alone, although your affiliate business will be yours. Now let's look into the coaching program outline. Express Ticket to Success full program. The step-by-step tutorials that get you to become a super affiliate and put your system into automation. $5,000 in 30 days, A to Z blueprint, all-inclusive, beginner-friendly strategies that work for any affiliate niche. It teaches you what makes 5x higher conversions without paying for traffic or ads, without a fancy website or any authority status. 100% high converting offers. Leverage the ETTS network and gain 100% commissions on products that you won't find anywhere else. Also, you get a chance of one weekly live call with Philip and Dan. With ETTS, you won't be alone. You'll be looked after by Philip and Dan, who will go through all your materials and give you feedback every week to ensure your success. So you can ask any questions. Members only Facebook community. You can also ask for help from the community of like-minded other members. Offers that pay you for a lifetime. They'll teach you the value ladder, not to get settled for one-time commissions but how to earn larger amounts over and over again. The value ladder 60x DFY videos to Outrank competition. Done-for-you videos will allow you to plug and play, and gain instant traction and see immediate results. Hack to get unlimited free buyer traffic. This method will enable you to siphon traffic from various platforms without putting in any additional efforts. Your first sale within a week. Philip and Dan will handhold you until you get your first sales once you've set up the system within the first 7 days. Leverage ETTS team to 10x your traffic. Leverage the team to help you do all your posts to multiply your traffic. These posts will generate thousands of dollars without having to hire a designer or copywriter. The keys to our kingdom, the ultimate bonus bundle including the conversion system and automated campaigns that made Philip and Dan $10K per month. The core tutorials, the over-the-shoulder, the results-focused tutorial program has 6 modules. They are: Module 1, Overview. Module 2, Mind Game Mastery. Module 3, Secret Conversion System. Module 4, Hands-Free Automation. Module 5, Unstoppable Traffic Hack. Module 6, Outrank All Competition. I think it's about time to ask, who is Express Ticket to Success for? ETTS works with any niche, and the method is not just on trends, but sustainable, so I can safely say it's for anyone who wishes to see good results from real affiliate marketing with ethical practices. The course will definitely help you grow your entrepreneurial confidence and reputation in years to come. There is no technical complication in any part of the program, so it's perfect for the complete novice. Express Ticket to Success is about positioning your real self as an authority and building a relationship between you and the audience. So you're not chasing money, you'll attract it. There are many other affiliate marketing training programs out there for similar prices. Most others will require you to spend money on traffic on top of it, at least a few hundreds of dollars every month to make the method work. Buying traffic is extra hard work, requires techniques such as copywriting, monitoring, plus often communicating with traffic vendors and negotiating. Considering all that, I think the ETTS method will save a lot of your money. Now let's look into the Express Ticket to Success pros and cons. Pros. You will get a legitimate affiliate marketing method to start making money in a short period. No need to spend money on traffic, 1 full year of coaching. Both the coaches are trustworthy, 24/7 support through the community. The free webinar is very useful, 60-day money-back guarantee by ClickBank. Now let's take a look at the cons. The fee may not be affordable for some individuals, but don't worry cause you can always save up. With all been said, in order for this program to work effectively, you have to make sure that you purchase it from the official website online. The link to their official website will be in the description below this video, so your purchase can be 100% safe. And by the way, what are you still waiting for? I would personally recommend you go now and grab yours at a discounted price today before it goes up again. Don't forget to use the link to their official website in my description below. See you there.